how much should you actually spend on under-cabinet lighting? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, MG Gore 10-inch motion sensor light. The MG Gore 10-inch under-cabinet lighting. Priced at $26.99, this 2-pack of rechargeable motion sensor lights caught my attention with its sleek design and practicality. If you want hassle-free lighting that activates when you need it, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an upgraded motion sensor that detects human motion within 10 feet and 120 degrees, automatically turning on when you walk by. No more fumbling for switches in the dark, which is a real lifesaver, especially if you have your hands full. Plus, with 5 levels of brightness, you can adjust it based on your activity, whether you're cooking or just need a nightlight. Now, some people complain that the motion sensor can be overly sensitive, causing it to turn on unexpectedly. Here's the thing though, if you place it strategically, this isn't a deal breaker. It's great for spaces like kitchens and stairways where lighting is crucial. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-install, motion-activated light solution. Skip this one if you prefer constant lighting over motion detection. For under $30, it delivers solid value for your money. Now, if the sensitivity issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, MCGR 14.7-inch motion sensor light. We have the MCGR 14.7-inch under-cabinet lighting, also from MCGR, but priced a bit higher at $36.99. What stands out here is its increased length and functionality. If you want a more powerful option that covers more space, this is worth a serious look. This light has similar features to the previous one, including a motion sensor that activates at 10 feet, but what's impressive is the 63 energy-saving LEDs that ensure bright, eye-friendly light. You can also set it to always-on mode, which is fantastic for longer tasks. The dimmable feature is a nice touch, allowing you to adjust the brightness based on your needs, whether it's for cooking or as a gentle nightlight. However, some users noted that the charging time can be longer than expected. Here's the thing, it's not a deal breaker if you're willing to plan ahead and charge it overnight. The functionality this light offers is well worth the wait. This is perfect for you if you need something versatile that works in various settings, from kitchens to bedrooms. Skip this one if you're looking for a very budget-friendly option. At this price, it really offers great value for what you get. All right, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something more compact.
Product number 3, brighten 10.2-inch under-cabinet lighting at a wallet-friendly price of $15.99. This little gem caught my eye because of its sleek design and multiple color temperature options. If you want custom lighting for different settings, this is worth a serious look. This light is equipped with 84 super bright LEDs in 3 color temperatures, warm, cool, and mixed. This means you can set the mood, whether you're hosting a dinner or just need bright light for tasks. Plus, the motion sensor works well, activating up to 10 feet away. It's a practical choice for kitchens and hallways. Some users mentioned that the adhesive might not stick well on all surfaces. Here's the thing though, if you're installing it on metal surfaces or using the included plates, this shouldn't be a concern. It's a small trade-off for the versatility you get. This is perfect for you if you love having options for your lighting. Skip this one if you prefer something that's just plain white light all the time. For under $20, you'll find it hard to beat this value. Now, if the adhesive issue worries you, the next product is designed for a more tech-savvy user.
Product number 4, Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, priced at an attractive $14.99. What caught my attention with this one is its ability to display multiple colors on a single strip. If you want to add some flair and fun to your space, this is worth a serious look. These smart LED lights can sync with music, creating a lively atmosphere for parties or movie nights. You can control them via the Govee Home app, allowing you to customize colors and brightness, which is great for setting the right mood. The strip is 16.4 feet long, so it can cover a good amount of space. However, some users pointed out that it doesn't support Alexa, which can be disappointing if you want voice control. Here's the thing though, it's still super user-friendly via the app, so if you're tech-savvy enough to use a phone, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you love smart home gadgets and want to add personality to your lighting. Skip this one if you're looking for strictly functional lighting without the frills. For under $15, it's a fantastic way to brighten up your space creatively. Now, if you're more into practical solutions, the last product really focuses on functionality.
Product number 5, MG Gore 14.7-inch under cabinet lighting. We have the MG Gore 14.7-inch under cabinet lighting, priced at $36.99. This light is similar to the other MG Gore products, but offers a bit more brightness and battery capacity. If you want something that's reliable with strong performance, this is worth a serious look. With a 2500 mAh rechargeable battery, it boasts a longer life, lasting up to 45 days in motion sensor mode. The 5 levels of brightness are also a standout feature, allowing you to customize your light for whatever you're doing. Whether it's for meal prep or as a nightlight, you have options. However, some users noted that the installation could be tricky for non-DIY folks. Here's the thing though, once you get it up, it's a game changer. The convenience it offers in various settings makes it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable light solution that adapts to your needs. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with installation. For the price, it's a solid investment for your home lighting needs.
To wrap it up, we've covered some fantastic options in LED under cabinet lighting, from the Magor motion sensors to the Gritton's versatile color choices and the Govi's smart features. Each one has its strengths, catering to different needs and preferences. Choose the one that fits your lifestyle best.